So how to create a special GL indicator and posting. So for example, if I take it one special GL indicator where we can create for a vendor. Now the T code is FBKP. So FBKP. So you can hit enter, you get the special GL indicator. The special indicator can be created here. There's a lot of things you need to be created. One is automatic posting, posting keys, document types, clearing procedure, physical year variant, and field status. Groups also we can create here. This is a common for many. So just for going for the special GL indicator, double click here or click here. So this is an D for customer and K for vendor. Now it is already created ABC, and if you go down, so there is a many things has been created now. So just now I can create for, and even you can create, that is created for the one more called A for this also, down payment request. Just you can go ahead with this one. It's already given this now A. Now you can go to properties. These are all the payment done. So now we'll create a one more special GL indicator. How to create a special GL indicator? Just click here. Now so we need to go with the vendor. So this is K. Let's take it a K, and now there is no J, so I need to go for J, and down payment vendor, down payment vendor. So just I'm clicking here. Now it is open. Yeah, vendor down payment vendor debit and vendor credit. Now if you want, you can save here, or else you can take a one more GL account to be assigned. So now we are checking for the TR account, so you can go save the TR. Now it is asking for the vendor GL account. This is then two types of columns here. One is a reconciliation account, and second is an GL account which you are going to take. But I don't want to give now. Just I'll leave it blank because of, let us go for the error. What error can be? Let us go with the vendor account. Now we are going with the F-48 for creating the down payment request. Just I'm taking 251019, 2519, and 1000 is my company code. Now I'm going with the vendor 1000000. Now it is my here it is a special GL indicator which was created before. Now I can select here from the list of the, and this is new one created, that's called as an J. Now it is in a J I have selected here. And now what is bank account? Bank account, I can take it in a 4,000, this one. And what is the amount I need to pay? See, this is the 10,000 I need, and hit enter. So the posting takes place in the previous fiscal year. Okay, no problem. It's a message where we can go ahead with the next further. What error it is displaying? Now the error is displaying no sorry, no special GL account defined to account types. Why I'm displaying here? When you get the only created the special GL indicator, which needs to be not determine the GL accounts, we should be determined. What are the things I need to update in the special GL indicator? So let us go with the error of this one. Just I'm going with the in the new skill Now, so just I'll give, so I'll check it. Oh, GL account hierarchy. Now just I'll activate a GL hierarchy so I can understand what are the GL hierarchies up there and what are the groups I have created here. Now just I'm going with the coming back here. Just I'm going with the once again FS00 FS00. This is the GL account I need to go with the customer financial expenses, general lecture, or there is loans and advances. There is no loan and advances. Now I need to create a loans and advances. Go to /4 OBD4. Why I'm going to get it with the error because of you can understand with GL. If I don't have a GL account, I need to create a GL. If I don't have a group, then I need to go with the, is there any loans and liability, loans and advances here? I don't think we do have a loans and advances here. Loans and advances. The income, other and financial statement here, revenue expenses, current receivable, customers, cash. Now I'll create one more loans and liabilities, loans and advances. So credit and loans and advances. Just I'll create group. Now I'll save here. Under this group, I'll create a one loans and advances. Just a copy here and go to FS00. The FS00 I can create here. So if you want, you can create 21,000 FS00. Now it is need to be loans and liabilities. This is a loans and advances. Is it in a loans and advances? Here it's in a click here for balance sheet account. Now it is advance to if you can make it a domestic or anything, or you can make it common also. Now it is start with the controlling data. Controlling data I need to create. It's in INR and it's in a reconciliation account, whereas it's in a direct reconciliation account. Posting, you can use a posting sorting key. So you will use it to sorting key. Can use a sorting key. Yes, I'll go to the posting key. Now it will go with the F dot, and this is a status variant. Whereas you can select a G0067 as it is in a reconciliation account. Hit enter now. Let's save here. So my GL account will be created. So now I'll copy this, so save. This is the advanced vendor. Now I have to hit enter here. Can save. No, the TR is going to save here. TR has been saved. Now I'll go with the posting. Now it will continue with the taking a vendor now, and see if you see here, so you can get it here 210000 is a GL account which is taken here. Now I have to take it for the amount. If you say star, now it is star, okay, and it is a amount. Go for save here, or else go for this looks simulation, go for save. What is the exactly entry here? It's an 1000 is a vendor to debit and complete. Okay, now I'm going to hit the save. The document is created now 202. If I'm going with the display here, now you can check with the FB03 as well. So if you go with the FB03, so this is the document number. I hit enter, so you get the GL. But one more thing you understand, where so there is a 1000 which is a reconciliation account will be this one. Whenever you create it, and this will be it to the vendor advance account, reconciliation account. Okay, and this is the entry which we have created. Now what we have done is we have created a special GL indicator, and if you want to see the special GL indicator, this is a special GL indicator. If you see here, it's an J. It's called as an A advance as a replacement of J. You can create a J as well as. Thing is, what we have concluded here is we have created a special GL indicator and setting a GL account assignment with the vendor reconciliation account, and we have created a vendor group also, GL group also in OBD4, and then we have created a GL account, and then we have assigned a GL account to the special GL indicator, and we have posted the special GL indicator and then display the same thing with the document now. So thank you so much for watching video, and